Okay, so this is going to be a tutorial on replacing these two lights right here. This is going to be your license plate lights, and I'm going to show you. This is a 2008 Honda Accord, and some of the Hondas have a lining right here that you're going to have to remove, but luckily on this 4-cylinder car it didn't have that. And I'll show you real quick the orientation. You're going to have two lights right here, and these are pretty simple to pull out. And what we're going to do is we're going to work backwards. There's a tab on the back here that pulls this out. Okay, so there's going to be two tabs when you remove this right here, and my hand's going to get in the way, but we're going to press a tab on the side here, and what's going to happen is I'll show you the mechanism that's going to push out like that, and when you install it, you're going to install it back at an angle to reinstall it, so it'll notch back like this. So if you ever lose reference, just check out the other side. So okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to remove the bulb from this device right here, and you got to make sure that you have a reference point in case you get the polarity wrong. So as you plug it back in, you can plug in the power, but I'm going to start off with this red notch and place it in here. Then we're going to plug it in and see if it works next, and if it doesn't, we'll flip it around. Okay, so this is a comparison of the left side and the right side. The left side is the new LED, and the right side is the older one.